Now I will show you how to draw a yin-yang with circles alone and the shape builder tool to make it cool. First of all, I'll just have a look of what I'm actually drawing with. I'm drawing with a white fill and a black line. I don't want to draw with the black or the white fill here, so I'll just delete my fill so I paint with nothing. That means that I can see through my circles. Then I create a circle like this and I press down the shift key while I'm doing it so I have a proper circle. And that size would be convenient. Then I take my black arrow and I need a copy of that one, so I'll press down the alternate key and drag this one. Look at the fine green line I'm following, so it's actually aligned, and here they are perfectly aligned, and I release my mouse click and release my alt button. Then I got two circles. Now I need a third one, so I select my ellipse tool and I would like it to go from this point. I press down the alternate because I would like it to draw from the middle. And then I click and draw, and I would like it to be not like this, I would like it to be a circle, so I press down the alternate key too, so it becomes a circle. And then I release my mouse clip and I have this. Now I need to have a little circle in the middle of this circle. So where's the middle of the circle? Well, look at the green lines. Oh, it tells me where the center point is of the circle. Nice, thank you. Then I press down the alternate key because I would like to draw from the middle and create a circle the size I would like to have. Then I need to have a copy of that one. I go again for my black arrow. I press down the alternate key to make a drag and drop copy, follow the green lines, wait until it tells me that I got the center. Now I have that. So now I have the base shape for creating a yin-yang. How do I merge them? Well, I use my shape builder tool. But first of all, I need to tell Illustrator what I would like to merge. So I need to select all this because this is all the parts I would like to merge. I select my shape builder tool and these two needs to be together and those two needs to be together and that one needs to be cut out. So I'll press down the alternate key, die, and go away. And then I have my base shape here. Now I'll select this half. Oops, I just accidentally slide here, so I'll just go up in edit and say undo move. This one has a black line and I would like to reverse my stroke and fill. I can do that over here. Click, I just reverse it. So now there's no stroke, but a fill that is black. The same thing I do with this one, I just reverse it over here by clicking on this double arrow. It's a nifty function that we have here, that little. But now it's black, I need it to be white. But now of course it's a bit hard to see white on white, so I'll just, I have a little rehearsal here, eh? Then I'll just move it down here, out here with my selection tool, and I'm using the hand tool here temporarily by pressing down the space bar on my keyboard. And here you can see I have a perfectly done yin-yang. And that's how you do it. Just circles and a little shape building.